Last week we talked about our budget of living here in Auckland and how we are planning to save up 10,000 euros to make our dream of traveling through New Zealand come true. This week this channel reached 1,000 subscribers and you get a little bit of the behind the scenes of what it's like to live and work in Auckland. We prepare for our workshop that's at the end of this week and we explore the winter gardens.
Good morning.
Good morning. We woke up super motivated to get our plan started of making money, and we thought, let's talk about our game plan this week. So at the end of this week we have the workshop and we need to prepare everything for it.
Yeah, we know how to do wholesale collaborations. We kind of know what to say. We have an outline.
Yeah.
But none of the presentation, none of it is ready yet.
And we have 6 people already that wants to join the workshop, which is really good.
But yeah, we have to prepare all of that. We also, as you saw last week, got the business card from that chocolate place, and we want to reach out to them while it's still somewhat fresh in his mind. So it's a good day today to reach out to them as well.
I also need to edit the vlog from last week.
We have Joya's birthday coming up in 2 weeks.
We are going on an adventure then.
But that means this week, on top of everything else, we also have to prepare something for that. So it's kind of getting the ball rolling with everything.
Yeah, but this week I feel like we kind of finally can start. And I'm super motivated to get started and finally make money.
And when are we going to the gym? It was the plan to go today, but I feel like we have a busy day already. Let's make a deal. This week, we're signing up for the gym. We're going at least once. Come on.
Yes, this week we're going to the gym and be fit. Oh, and we fucked up our budget.
It was going so well.
Yeah, we're really proud.
And then yesterday we went to a mall because Joya needed a new jacket, the bus and the train and everything. And then we went to Taco Bell. Then we had pizza night, as you saw as the last shot in the last vlog. So we went a little bit over the budget, which means that this week we're gonna try and save a little bit more on the budget.
This week is making money and saving week.
High five.
Oh. But we will take you with us.
And we want to show you a little bit more of the city this week.
You can have an idea of where we are living, where we are making our dream come true.
Yes!
Thank you.
Now it's time for coffee and get to work. Coffee time!
Last night I got to 1,000 subscribers! And I'm so happy about it because this is like a huge milestone in YouTube. This is the point where YouTube is thinking about paying me for the videos. And I'm so happy and I feel really supported by friends and family right now, so I'm the luckiest girl in the world.
And me.
Of course, you helped a lot.
2 goals or milestones is 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours.
I have like 3,100 now, so if everyone just plays all my videos on mute or anything, that's fine. But then I get a lot of watch hours. And then YouTube can pay for the van.
Thank you everyone for subscribing and helping out.
Yes, thank you so much. You
Means a
get
lot.
this reaction out of me, so I'm really happy.
She was jumping even more last night.
Yeah, and now we're gonna celebrate a little bit. Well, celebrate. Instead of our normal coffee at home, we're gonna go to a coffee shop. Coffee place. A coffee cafe, not a coffee shop in the Netherlands.
We're not doing Starbucks as some of the comments said.
No, not Starbucks.
Going to a local one.
And that's our celebration level right now.
That's what our budget allows us to do.
Yes. I only miss like one finish. Okay, that was a short celebration with nice coffee. Now it's time to go back to work because we have a workshop to prepare and my job in a few hours. So back to the cave. Laundry time. So one annoying thing about this apartment is that we don't have our own laundry machine. So we have to go down to the shared space to do our laundry.
All the way to the bottom. Elevator dance.
You wanna do a laundry dance? Do the laundry dance. Laundry
Nice.
It's not dry. So this is an expensive laundry round.
$10 so far. The basement for the third time.
Try again. Are you ready?
You're gonna dance again? The elevator dance?
We had to gather some courage to actually do it today, but we are going to the gym. I actually love going to the gym. I just need to go and need to be familiar with the gym, so it's always a little bit scary to go to a new gym. Curious to see if it's a nice gym. It's the cheapest one, and it's the one that has multiple gyms all over New Zealand, so we can go more often. Also when we're traveling in the van, if we ever being able to save up that money. So let's go. I'm gonna film my phone because it's weird with this camera. Are you ready to go? Are you excited to go? Yeah, let's go! We are not those gym fanatics, but we do love to stay fit. This is just mean. This gym is 10 minutes away from our stay and we signed up and started our workout. I'm not gonna show you exactly how our workouts look like because we are not pros, but it looks something like this, a little bit of this, and then a little bit of this. And then we are happy to go again. We had to go home on time because we got a new TV. Our last one broke, so our Airbnb helped us and replaced the TV. We got a TV!
It was really, really nice. We got a lot of tips as well.
Yeah.
New TV and a lot of tips from New Zealand.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
No, not you.
Greg was the best.
Yes.
He was really, really
Thank
nice.
you, Greg.
And now we're finally getting to work and it's 4. But just a quick update on what we're doing.
So I am doing the hotel collaboration workshop. I'm preparing a little bit of that. Give examples from the media kit, email templates. We're giving a workshop on Sunday, which is literally in 2 days right now, so that's crazy, for doing hotel collaboration. In 90 minutes we're gonna explain and we're gonna teach people how to do their own hotel collaborations. All our experience put in 90 minutes, and I think it's a really good one.
Next week, I'm not gonna say much, but next week we have adventure coming up in celebration of Joya's birthday. We started looking at car rentals, where to go. We also got some nice tips from Greg. And Joya is gonna look for some hotels that we can reach out to in that area we wanna go to as well, to see maybe we can do some collaborations. Then we're going on an adventure. Do you want a birthday present?
Yes, I have a few things for my birthday that I want.
Jesus Christ, it's gonna be a whole list.
No, I want to be at a lake. I want an Aperol Spritz. And last thing, I want to see sheep.
Okay, so you want to get bitten by a sheep? Is that the thing this year?
I don't want to get bitten by a sheep.
Great.
They just look so cute. I'm gonna put a photo in of the sheep that I want to see. Back to work. Let's go! 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 On Saturday evening we started setting up for the workshop, which is always a little bit chaotic with us, and then on Sunday we finally got to do it. We did it!
We did it.
But now I want more coffee.
More coffee, I want some food.
Me too, I'm hungry. My stomach was like I could hear that. Out to explore the city a little bit, or a park, or a winter garden. We're outside! Oh, yesterday we haven't been outside at all, and now we just had the workshop and we're just going for a walk to explore Auckland a little bit. I will show you a little bit of Auckland. No Starbucks, just walking past, staying strong.
This is where I ran once.
Pukekohe. Pukekohe? Is that how you say it?
How are you taking that?
I'm 5 minutes in and I'm out of breath. I know it's not that steep because our TV maker Greg told us that Auckland is actually pretty flat compared to the rest of New Zealand. We are like, it's so hilly here.
We also come from two of the flattest countries in Europe.
The Netherlands is below sea level, okay? I'm used to that.
Drowning.
Not this.
Ding, ding, ding. Ding, ding, ding. I don't know where she got all that energy from, but...
There's a cafe there that we're going to eventually. There's a lot of plants. I think it's really cute that people are here on their first date and stuff. You can really see that. It's a good first date spot. I'm hiding from Alex. Hello! It's good that we came here because...
It is a nice spot.
Yeah, it's a winter garden and it feels like we're in the jungle. working? We saw our future where an old man was doing a serious photo shoot with a woman. It looks a little bit weird, to be honest. Okay, we explored the winter garden a little bit, and
It's actually really nice.
it's a really nice place, and it really inspires me to shoot some stuff here as well, and it's super close to our place. It's time for an update about this week. Was it successful?
I think it was a successful week.
We didn't earn much more, so we're still at 300 euros for the van. Far behind, and I did the math, and if we keep going like this, we will never make it. So we really need to step up our game.
Now we have more time to pursue that, along with planning our little trip away for your birthday.
My birthday! It's next weekend, which is an adventure, and it's gonna be really cool, and we're gonna really see more about New Zealand finally. I'm super excited.
Yeah, we're gonna get a car somehow, rent a car, and then go somewhere in New Zealand and see some of the beautiful nature here in the North Island.
Yeah.
So that's gonna refuel our energy as well, I think.
I'm full of energy, I'm motivated. I hit 1,000 subscribers this week, which was really cool and really nice, and I'm super happy for it. Thank you. I only need a lot of watch hours.
Keep watching.
You keep watching.
Play this again, and
Play
again,
this
and again, and again.
Again, or another video, whatever you want. But yeah,
As long as it's on Joy's channel.
yes, that would be nice. But then YouTube will pay us, and that will all go to Ben. So that's a way you can support us.
And there is a buy me a coffee link down below as well. So if you want to support it with a little donation
I
or something.
never did that before.
No, but we are setting it up.
Okay, we are setting it up.
If you want to help that way, buy us a coffee or something, then that's more than welcome too.
Ah, that would be really nice of you.
Yeah.
Of you?
You?
You? But do you want to buy me a coffee?
Yeah, we're going to get something now. Right?
Yeah, okay, let's buy a coffee. Enough rambling. We are going enjoy to have like a tea or a coffee here at the cafe, and then we will see you next week.
Follow along to see how we hopefully start making money and what we're planning for Joy's birthday.
Yeah, and if you have any plans on how we can make money, just also leave a comment, please.
See you next week.
Adiosa!
Doei.
Doei!
Adiosa. What's that?
Next week we land 4 brand deals, and a few of them already arrived. Wow! One of them is the absolute dream for every creator, and one of them is already gonna happen on Sunday. So make sure you watch the next video.